Thoughtfully designed and beautifully maintained, this Craftsman-style home on a corner lot is ideally located on a quiet dead-end street, just moments to Ridges Elementary, Sherwood High School, and nearby parks, all in one of Sherwood's most desirable neighborhoods. It offers the perfect blend of comfort, style, and convenience, from the charming front porch to the open concept interior. High ceilings, abundant natural light, and a cozy fireplace create an inviting atmosphere, with spacious living areas that are equally suited for everyday living and entertaining. At the heart of the home, the beautifully appointed kitchen features quartz countertops, a stylish tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and an oversized walk-in pantry. A dedicated office provides a quiet space to work from home. Upstairs, the private primary suite is a relaxing retreat, complete with a spa-like bath featuring a dual-sink vanity, separate shower, and soaking tub. In addition to the versatile loft, you'll find 3 more spacious bedrooms and another beautifully designed full bath. Head outside to a fully fenced backyard with a covered patio, updated landscaping, and generous lawn. An ideal setting for weekend barbecues, gardening, or outdoor dining. A fantastic neighborhood with no HOA, numerous recent updates, and move-in ready. This home offers exceptional value in a location you'll love to call home. For more information, please contact Chris Olson with Premier Property Group.